Hi, welcome to our Sidefinity Next.js series. Valentine's Day is here, and in this video we're building something special and shiny. We're integrating a 3D spline animation into our Sidefinity Next.js project and triggering additional animations on button clicks. Let's dive in. To bring our idea to life, let's first visit the Spline community page, where we can create or choose a 3D animation designed by community members. For our Valentine's Day project, we've chosen this adorable little robot originally created by Victor Gigi. One of the great things about Spline is that it allows us to remix any animation, making it uniquely our own. Since this video isn't focused on creating or modifying Spline animations, we've already customized our version of the robot. We've added a blinking effect, adjusted the colors, and reshaped the body to give it a fresh look. Spline allows us to export our animation as an interactive 3D scene, which we can integrate into our Sidefinity Next.js project. Before we do that, we need to install the React Spline package in our Sidefinity Next.js app. Once installed, we can use the Spline component to embed our animation. We'll be adding it to the details view of our Spline Animations dynamic module. In the Spline component, rather than hard-coding the Spline URL, we'll pull it dynamically from our Sidefinity CMS from the Spline animation content item. Let's head over to the Sidefinity backend and create a new Spline animation item where we'll set the Spline URL field. Once that's done, we can open the animation item in details in the browser, and there it is, our very own 3D robot. Pretty cool, right? Now let's make it Valentine's Day special by making it interactive. We'll add the title of our dynamic item and two buttons on the widget view so our users can decide if they want to be the robot's Valentine or not. To animate based on the user's input, we need to connect to the objects inside Spline. To do this, we go to Spline to grab the object ID. Then in Visual Studio Code, we can write logic to retrieve this element on load and interact with its properties. With this in place, we can now do things like spotlight left.current.intensity equals 0 to turn the lights off. We need to add the onload property to the Spline component, and if we go to the items detail page in the browser and refresh the page, we'll see the title, the buttons, and the lights are off. So let's update this with something more fun by adding all the objects into our scene and add some animations to our little robot. We need to get the initial position of the head, which we'll use as a reference when we change the position of the robot. We'll move the logic for turning off the lights into a function. We'll add a function to turn the light on as well. We'll need some logic to rotate the head and to move the robot. And finally, we'll add the logic for the happy and the sad reactions of the robot. By clicking yes, we'll trigger the happy animation, moving the robot's head and lighting up the scene. But if we click no, we'll turn off the lights and make the robot leave the scene. It's so much fun to bring a character to life like this. Now let's see it in action. If we click yes, we get the happy animation. Perfect. But what happens if we click no? Oh no, the lights dim and our little robot looks heartbroken. Let's not leave it like that. One more yes click and it's back to being happy again. And that's it. Our robot is up and running. Now the only question left is, will you be its Valentine? Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you love experimenting with cool integrations like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video of our Next.js series.